this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and rate category and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. It's fine. Guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Services and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and meeting policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out on this hotel, share your experience in the comment box. The channel, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can see the video of our. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.